Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Wallpaper Engine and creating a new project. This is where you organize files. Once done, import your main asset, image, video, or HTML, and optional audio or layers. Make sure file names are simple and use correct resolution to avoid scaling artifacts. You should also check performance presets early. Set target FPS and quality so the editor previews match final results. Save the project before proceeding to the next step to avoid losing configuration changes. Now you configure behavior and test. Adjust loop points, audio sync, and interaction triggers so the wallpaper feels responsive. Once configured, optimize by compressing images, enabling bitmaps, and lowering unnecessary effects to reduce CPU/GPU load. Test the wallpaper on different aspect ratios and multi-monitor setups to ensure no cropping or letterboxing. Use the editor's preview drop-down to simulate common resolutions. Make iterative tweaks, then run a final preview for at least 1 full minute to catch timing or performance issues. You're ready to publish. Open the workshop uploader, enter a clear title and description, add tags, and upload a crisp thumbnail. Once you press publish, watch the progress and confirm the workshop item appears in your listings. If Steam rejects files or uploads fail, make sure files are under size limits, re-export video with lower bitrate, and check Wallpaper Engine logs for error messages. If users report issues, provide a concise changelog and update the workshop item with fixes promptly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.